State the gradient and y-intercept of the equation y equals 4x minus 3 and use the gradient intercept method to sketch the line. So we know that the gradient is always the coefficient of the x term. So in our case, the gradient is 4 and the y-intercept is always the constant term. So in our case, the y-intercept is negative 3 or minus 3. So we're going to use the gradient intercept method to sketch this line. Now we always start at our y-intercept, which in our case is negative 3. So we put a starting point at the y-intercept. Now the gradient tells us where to draw our next point. And gradient is always written, gradient or slope m, is always rise over run. So we need to write our gradient in the form rise over run. Right now it's a whole number, 4. So to write that as a fraction, we write it 4 over 1. What that tells us is we rise up 4 and we run to the right 1. So we go up 1, 2, 3, 4 and across 1. Draw another point. We can do a third point if we like, up 1, 2, 3, 4, rise, and run across 1 to draw a third point. Now you have to be careful. If our slope was negative, instead of going up, we would go down 4 and across 1. So a positive slope means we go up and a negative slope means we go down for our rise. We've plotted our 3 points. So we connect them with a nice straight ruled line, arrows on the ends, and we write the equation on the line. Y equals 4x minus 3.